Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, yesterday afternoon, we had that big move, and it definitely did cause a break of structure. Down prices all the way back down to where it was before the big move. Now, I was thinking that this big move up was actually going to be an A of a correction, which would likely be a correction to this whole move down and that this move that we're currently in is actually going to be a B, and this potentially is going to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, like the 50, 60, or 78% Fibonacci retracement for a wave C. So definitely keep an eye on it. If it does make a higher low, engulfing up, especially if you get a little break of structure right there on maybe the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame, that is what's likely going to tell you that it's going up for wave C. Whether it's a ABC of B or the ABC of 2, I don't really think it matters because luckily a wave B and a wave 2 is traded exactly the same. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.